Okay, I have talked to you about the sine rule, and now I'm going to talk to you about the cosine rule. The cosine rule is used to calculate the length of the third side when the two sides and the angle are given. So in other words, if I can actually, let me draw a triangle over here. Okay, so if I have a triangle over here, let's say if I label this, that's not a very nice triangle, I'll do something like this. Okay, so I am going to label this as A, B, C. So these are the angles, and the sides opposite to that I am going to label that using a different color. Let's say I'm going to use this. So A there, this is going to be B, that is going to be lowercase c. So let's say this is angle theta. Okay, I'll write this down, write this properly. Yeah. So my cosine rule, because I want to calculate this angle theta over here, is given between the two sides C and B, and I want to work out the length of A. So my formula for the cosine rule will become A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos of angle A. And in the same manner, I can write B squared if I have angle C as let's say this is alpha and this is beta, right? So if I want to calculate the length of B squared, then this is going to become A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cos of angle B, right? And then if I want to work out, let's say C squared, then I will have A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos of angle C. So these are the three formulae that will allow you to calculate the length of the sides of a non-right angle triangle. So let's just do one example. I think I'm going to change the color of this pen over here. I don't like that. So let's go and choose this color here. So example. Calculate the length of the side marked X in the triangle shown below. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a triangle here, and hopefully this will. Okay, right, so I'm going to label this, and I'm going to label this as theta over here is going to be 35 degrees. Let's say this is going to be 4 centimeters there. Let's change this to 25. I think I'll just change it to 25 degrees. This one over here is 5 centimeters, and I want to calculate this length over here. And I'm going to label this as A, B, and C. Okay, so now you will notice that the angle given here is bounded by the two sides that are given, and the side that I'm looking to calculate is opposite to the angle there. So we will say, we'll use the formula a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared is 2bc cos of angle A. So that tells me if I substitute the values now, that will become x squared is equal to 5 squared, because b is 5. So if you want, you can put b equal to 5, and then c is equal to 4. Alright, and a is equal to x. So c is plus 4 squared minus 2 times 5 times. So I'll rewrite this again. 2 times 5 times 4 cos of 25 degrees. And doing the maths over here gives you 25 plus 16, take away 40 cos of 25 degrees. Now if we do this maths on a calculator, we will end up getting, so 25 plus 16 is going to be 41 minus 40 times cos of 25. So 41 minus 40 times cos of 25 gives me 40 cos of 25 gives me 4.747. that is x squared. And I'm going to take square root of that now, so x is going to be square root of this number here, 4.7476, and that gives me gives me 2.1789. I'm going to round this to 2.18 to dp. Okay, so that was finding one of the sides. Now see if we can do another example over here, and okay, here's the example, and let's have a look at example 2. So calculate the side, calculate the length of the side, calculate the length of the side marked x. Okay, so let's see if I can draw a little diagram here, and this time I'm going to change my pen. Let's go for black. Okay, here we go. Right. Okay, so this angle over here is 115 degrees. This is 9 meters, and that side here is 11 meters. This is side x. Okay, so I'm going to write my rule over here is x squared is equal to, now if you want to, before you do that, if you want to label this, that's fine, you can go and do that. I'm going to label this A, B, C. So over here you have C is equal to 9, and you have A is equal to 11, and then B is equal to X. So your formula is going to be B squared is equal to A squared plus C squared. Oh, I don't like this. We try this. A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cos of angle B. Okay, so substituting the values back in here, that gives me x squared is equal to 11 squared plus 9 squared minus 2 times 11 times 9 cos of angle 115 degrees. So we have 121 plus 81 minus 99 times 2. That's going to be 198 cos of 115 degrees. So I think I should write this properly over here. So it's cosine of 115 degrees. Okay, so that gives me 202 minus 198 cos of 115. So 198 times cos of 115 gives me 202 minus 83.6784. So the total length for x comes out to be, so x squared is going to be in 285.6784. Now this is not the total length. The total length is going to be basically square root of 285.6784, and so I am going to take square root of that, shift square root of shift answer. Okay, I'm doing this on my calculator, so that's why I use. So we have 16.902 so forth, and I'm going to round it to 16.90 corrected to dp meters. That's it. Thank you.